Today I'm making a delicious whole wheat chocolate cake. Welcome to White Shadow Fare. Make it homemade and make it with love. I started by milling some soft white wheat berries, 265 grams. Into that 265 grams of soft white wheat, I'm going to place that in a bowl and add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Blend that well and put my dry ingredients off to the side. You're going to take 226 grams or 1 cup of butter, and you're going to go ahead and melt that and let it cool. And to that melted butter, you're going to add 75 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. I just used Hershey's. You're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. And to this mixture, you're going to add 213 grams of brown sugar and 227 grams of hot black coffee. Blend to get the sugar completely dissolved, and you're going to add 120 grams of milk. In a bowl, you're going to add 190 grams of sour cream. I didn't have any sour cream, so I used plain Greek yogurt, and that worked out just fine. A tablespoon of vanilla, 200 grams of granulated sugar, and you're going to mix well, trying to melt that sugar into the yogurt or sour cream mixture. To this, you're going to add 3 room temperature eggs, one at a time. Blend in between each one. Now, I wanted my family to start eating slightly healthier, and so I'm sneaking some whole wheat foods into their life, and this was one of those recipes. And when I made it and served it to them, everybody just ate it, and nobody said anything other than, "This is good." So they didn't even know that it was whole wheat. So you're going to add the chocolate mixture to the egg mixture. Get that blended well. Make sure that you're preheating your oven to 350 degrees, and go ahead and add the dry ingredients that you put off to the side, along with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Get this incorporated and scrape down the bowl with a spatula as necessary. You don't want any pockets of flour there. This is going to look a little bit different than all-purpose flour cake because whole wheat is a little bit more gritty, but once it bakes, you won't be able to tell the difference. You're going to pour the batter into a greased and floured 13x9 pan, or you can parchment line it and just add a little bit of cooking spray. Into that preheated 350 degree oven for about 30 minutes, making sure that a toothpick inserted comes out clean. This is a very chocolatey, delicious cake. I just put a simple frosting on it. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope you'll give this one a try. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare.